Hi everyone, welcome to Postman tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to run a Postman collection directly from GitHub using GitHub Actions. This is a great way to automate your API test and integrate them into your CI/CD pipeline. So let's begin. In previous tutorial, I have explained how to push your Postman collection into GitHub. I will add the link of this video in a description so you can watch this video. Open GitHub account. First, you need to collection, export this collection and push this collection into GitHub. Open Chrome browser and click on Actions. After clicking on Actions, this is a repository for Postman API collection, and then click on Setup a workflow yourself. Build, test, and deploy your code. Make code reviews. Click on Setup workflow yourself. After clicking on this, you need to enter file content here and then commit changes. It will create a new folder which is .github and create a new file workflows. Inside this workflows, it will create a main. This file will be saved into this file. Now add command here. So add all this command, enter command here. Let's understand about this command. This is name run Postman collection on workflow dispatch. If you want to run manually, so you can enter here workflow underscore dispatch jobs and Postman run on Ubuntu latest. This is steps. First checkout repository and then uses actions checkout. Name install Node.js. As you know that we need to install Node.js in a local system, then you can run your Postman collection by CLI. So first it will install Node.js, and this is the version of Node.js. Node.js version 18, and then scroll down, install Newman. If you want to run your Postman collection in a CLI mode, so you need to install npm install -g Newman. This is the command for installing Newman, and then enter your collection name. Run Postman collection. This is the name, and you need to define here your Postman collection folder name. Newman run. This is the command for running Postman collection by CLI. Okay, now click on commit changes. After commit changes, you can change your commit message and you can change here description. For now, click on commit changes. Now, one folder have been created successfully. You can view here, click on Postman API collection. Inside, you can view GitHub workflows, and you can view here one file, and this is the code for running your Postman collection into GitHub. Now, you need to run this collection. So click on this one and then click on actions. After clicking on actions, you need to click on run Postman collection 0 workflows run. This workflow has a workflow dispatch event trigger. Click on run workflow. This is the main branch. You can view here main branch. Click on run flow. Now it will first install Node.js and then install Newman package. After installing Newman package, it will run your Postman collection. It will take some time because it will first install all the packages which is need to run this collection. Now click on run workflow and then click on run workflow. You can view here run Postman collection. This workflow has a work dispatch event trigger. Click on this one. Status success, and this is the total duration. Click on this one, and here you can view all the activity. First, set up a job. Set up a job. You can extend this one. Current runner version. This is the runner version. And first check out repository, and then install Node.js package. After installing Node.js package, it will install Newman. You can view run npm install -d Newman. This is the command for installing Newman. 10 packages are looking for funding. You can view here and run Postman collection and post install Node.js. Click on complete job and then click on post checkout repository. All the information are present here, but here we need to check run Postman collection. Run Newman. This is the command for running collection by Newman. In this request, we have total 2 requests. You can view request 2, iterations 1. This is the total run duration and average response time, and then post install Node.js. If you want to schedule this collection, so you can schedule. Click on Postman _ API collection. After clicking on this one, click on actions. First, you need to edit this workflow. Okay, so here we can edit this workflow. Click on this one and click on .github workflows. After clicking on this, open this file main. Now you need to make changes here if you want to schedule this collection. Enter in here. After on workflow _ dispatch, this is used for running manually. Enter here schedule cron, and then enter time here. Double quote 0 9 steric and double quote. On however, you can view run at 9 action schedules run at most every 5 minutes using UTC time. Now click on commit changes. Click on commit changes. Now this collection has been scheduled successfully. So that's our for today tutorial on Postman collection running in a GitHub. With this setup, your API test can run automatically whenever you push code, saving your time and ensuring quality. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with others, and subscribe to SK World for more tutorials on Postman. See you in the next video.